Hi everybody, Larry here. I just wanted to send you off a short video here to try and help you guys at home if you need to touch up or change your system. So I'm going to actually remove mine and I'm going to try to give you some instruction on how to reapply it at home during these difficult times. So bear with me a few seconds. So what I've done is I'm going to grab from the back here with my fingers and work my fingers underneath it, and I'm going to start to peel this off. And the idea is once you get this off, you're going to have to clean your head really well. So here's my situation. So you can see I've got some glue on the top of my head. So what I'm going to do is go and jump in the shower and get this cleaned off. There is a product that we can sell to you for home use, which we've used from here, that you can use to really wash your head really well here and get all this this old bond off. So we'll come back to you once my head is cleaned. In the meantime, I would suggest that you take the unit and soak it in a bowl with quite warm water. And if you have at home some dish soap, Palmolive is the best actually that I've worked with, and just allow it to soak for a long period of time, and then you'll be able to remove the bond off the base. Okay, I'll come back to you shortly. Hi, so I'm back here. So I've got my unit in a bowl here. So what I'm going to do is just apply this is just dish soap. Not ideal, but what I'll do is just move this around on the unit, and then basically what I'm going to do is soak this in really warm water and allow it to sit for at least 25 minutes, 30 minutes, maybe even an hour. And what'll happen is the bond will all get really soft and start to turn white, then you can peel it off. So next I'm going to use this product. This is an exfoliating type of shampoo, which you can apply to your scalp and work it all in. And what I would suggest is that you put this on your head and then jump in the shower and give your head a really good scrubbing, not using your nails too much because you don't want to obviously break the skin. But if you use warm water in the shower and just keep utilizing this product, you'll get all the glue residue off your head, and then you'll be ready to apply some bond, or if you want to use the strips that we can send you as well in the interim until we're able to get back to you. So I'm going to continue to wash my head, and I'll come back to you once everything's clean. Hi, so I've got all my head completely cleaned here now. Of course, like you guys, I'm not able to get my hair cut either, so we're obviously practicing safe distancing with our staff, so I don't even come in when they're here. So I've just basically shaved the top down, and if you look in here, I'm just basically have soaked this for probably well over 45 minutes, and I'm just shampooing it now. You're going to find that if you allow it to soak long enough, the bond will all start to turn white, and then you'll be able to essentially roll it off. So if you just take your fingers all around and then basically make sure that you remove any excess bond, and then wash it really well, and condition the hair if you can after you've washed it several times to make sure there's no bond left in the hair or anything. So next application will be for me to apply the bond to my head and then put bond on the unit. Now it's very important that you only put the bond on a unit that has skin material. If your unit is all mesh, you never apply the bond to the mesh. Thank you. Hi guys, so basically I've cleaned all my system the best I could, and this is what I'm talking about. This is the netting area on my unit, and I put a B on the back here just to make sure you get the front and back properly, labeled properly. But so I'm going to apply bond on my system all in the areas where there's skin, and then of course I'm going to do the top regions of my head. If you have somebody that can help you, this would be really helpful to, because it is a little bit difficult around the back, but then you're going to apply the bond to the underside of the system. Now mine is made with mesh and a skin type of material. If your base is mesh or all mesh, then you don't want to apply any bond to the unit, just to your head only, okay? So we'll come back to you once I'm doing that. So here we are. I'm just going to apply some of this bond to the top regions of my head. So what I do is I just apply it here like this. And then I'm going to take a brush and just lay it down fairly thin all along the, right out to the edge. Now again, if you have somebody that can help you, especially in the back regions, I don't, but I will sometimes check with a mirror. So you're going to apply the bond to the head here, and then I'm going to do the unit. But very important that you allow the bond on both surfaces to go completely clear before you position it. Thank you. Okay, we're back here, so I'm just going to apply the bond very carefully to the areas where there's skin material on the base only, bringing it right out to the outer edges without, of course, getting the bond in the hair. So take your time with this, be very careful, and just continue to place the bond on the unit very carefully, and again allow it to go completely clear, both your head and the system. Make sure that they go completely clear before you try to adhere the two together. Okay, we're back, so I'm all ready to position this on, so just bear with me. I got to take my time in positioning this, so this is how you do it. Take your time positioning it. Don't be in a rush. And lay it down. And then as soon as it's pressed down, basically I'll follow with some of this leave-in conditioner here. And then I always use the smoothing cream here. I work that in my hands. And basically work that all through the hair. Now again, I couldn't have my hair cut, so just like you guys, we'll do that obviously once we get back to being able to see you in the clinic here. But basically just gonna brush it into place, and that's pretty much it. Feels much better, obviously, when you get it off and have your head cleaned and rebond it. So I think we're just about back together again. So I really sincerely hope that this will be over very soon. We're trying our best to help you guys at home. And if you need any product or anything, just shoot us an email or call the office and leave a number, and I will get that stuff out to you as soon as we can. So that's pretty much it, guys, and hope your families are well, and really looking forward to seeing you again real soon. Take care. Bye-bye. So I'm all done. Got everything cleaned, rebonded. Of course, I can't do as good a job as my staff does, but it's on there, and it's all very secure again. And sometimes this is taking the unit completely off. However, you can just touch up, the front or the back. Just make sure that you have that product, and we'll try our best to get it over to you. Express post is the preferred way to send it, that I can go to the post office. I go every day to send product out to clients. So we'll talk again real soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.